Hey loves, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Today's look, I'm going to be using the Morphe collaboration with Lisa Frank's palette to create this look. What I'm going to be using first is this P. Louise base. It's going to be my eyeshadow base. I'm in the shade number 2. Dipping into the palette, I'm using the first shade called Peekaboo. It's this nice shimmery green neon shade. Just focusing this on the inner corner towards the middle section of my eyelid, but also focusing on the crease area, blending it upwards to my eyebrows. I'm going to use the Zoomer and Zorbit shadow as well. It is this darker green color, and just blending this in the middle section where my crease area is at. I'm taking the next shade called Angel Kitty. This shade is going to be blending on the outwards of my eyes and blending it into the dark green shade which I just applied earlier. And just trying to soften it out as I go. And then I'm going to take the shade called Violet and Velvet. I love this purple shade. It's just so nice. I'm going to be blending this in the outer lower part of my eyelid and working it to blend with the blue. And then I'm just going to slowly use the axis to blend it into the middle section of my eyes. Moving on to this next shade, I'm going to be using the shade called Casey and Camus. And I'm going to apply this from the inner corner to my middle section, working near the crease. And I'm also going to be taking the shade called Puppy Love and Violet Velvet and also blending this to my lower part of my eyes and focusing it near the waterline. Next, I'm going to take this glitter, and I can never remember their name or the brand. I'll leave it in the description box, but I used their yellow chunky glitter, and it's really nice and very light on the eyes. Moving on, I'm using the shade called Rory, and this is going to be my underbrow highlight. So then moving on, I'm going to be using the Morphe mascara and just apply this onto my lashes. And I'm going to be using the Kiss 2-in-1 glue liner to apply my lashes on. And I also used their lashes in the style Gala, one of my all-time favorites. I did use the Morphe Lights Out gel liner to apply underneath my waterline. And after I done this, I decided to use the Ofra highlighters and apply this to my inner corner to add some more poppy look to the eyeshadow look. And also pop on some little gems that I still have from Halloween. And then I decided to throw in my makeup routine for my face. And so as you can see, I just applied some Tatcha primer and my Neutrogena cream as well. These are so amazing. I love the Neutrogena cream. It just dries really quick. And the primer is also very, very smooth and soft. So yeah, it makes your foundation stay on so long and applies on so well. I also used the Wet n Wild foundation. I don't remember what shade I'm in. I'm pretty sure it's light beige or natural beige, but I do love this foundation. Super full coverage, and I actually have to say that the foundation is super wearable for like a very, very long time for the hours that you wear it, depending on where you go though, because basically I wear it for like the entire day, just running errands, and it stays on perfectly. I don't really have to do touch-ups. So yeah, I really do recommend this foundation. I know it's been out there for a while, so you guys might have tried it, but if you guys haven't, I do recommend it. Definitely my all-time favorites for very affordable foundations out there. So yeah, I just want to put that out there if you guys are looking for a foundation. And then I just went back to my Catrice concealer in the shade light beige or light natural. I'm always between that shade, so my foundation name and the concealer will always like have the same name, which is really funny. But yeah, anywho, I did apply this under my eyes and my forehead and all of that, and just blend it with the brush. With the sponge. And I did add some translucent powder. I don't remember the name, but I'll leave it down below in the description. And my favorite bronzer by Physicians Formula is the Butter Bronzer, as you can see here. And I just use that to bronze my face on the areas like my cheekbones and my forehead. And I also blend it on my nose. So yeah, just to add some more contouring to that area. I don't use contour. I don't know why, but I prefer bronzing. And then I was trying out this Wet n Wild blush, and I do kind of like it, but there wasn't a lot of like pigment. And then, oh my god, my Ofra highlighters just do the job with the highlighting, as you guys can see. And then I was trying out this Colourpop liquid lipstick, and I definitely love it. I mean, who doesn't love Colourpop? It's my favorite. I definitely loved how easy it glided onto my lips and the pigmentation and how fast it dried. Absolutely a good lipstick. I would leave it also down below in the description if you guys want to know the name of this shade. I just can't remember at the top of my head. Then I went ahead and used the MAC Prep and Prime setting spray to spray it all over my face to set all my makeup in place. And this is the complete look. I hope you guys loved the tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.